we'll guide you through how to change your YouTube channel URL. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to go and do, as changing the URL of your YouTube channel increases its recognition and also makes it easier for viewers to find and remember. So to do that, open your channel in a browser. Make sure it's logged in. As you can see, this is the current URL of this channel. We are going to change that. Go to the top right side and click on this icon right here, and a new menu will open. Now select YouTube Studio. Now in YouTube Studio, from the left panel, choose the second last option that says Customization. In this tab, scroll down to Handle, and you can see your current channel URL here. Just type or change your URL from here. Make sure the preferred URL is available. Handle is basically a unique username for your channel. Scroll a little further and you will also see a channel URL option here. This is the standard web address. You can't change it, but it won't matter either. Now just click Publish from the top right side and it's done. Again, open this menu and select Channel. You will now see your new channel URL in the address bar. And that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.